In this video, I will guide you through how to download all files from OneDrive at once. So in order to do this, what you need to do is to go and open up your OneDrive. You should be able to go and find it in the bottom right of your computer. You may need to go and click on show hidden icons to reveal the OneDrive icon. And once you open it, go and click on the Gale cog icon in the top right and you can go and press settings. Now come over to the left and you can go and press sync and backup. And what you want to do is to scroll down and find the option Advanced Settings. Click there to expand it and just scroll down. You will see this Find Files on Demand, and what you want to do is to go and click Download All Files and then just confirm it. You'll get this folder pop up and you're going to see the status of every file. They will all have this green icon on the right side. Those icon means they've now been downloaded completely. What you can also do is just go and select them all by just pressing the Ctrl A on your keyboard. And we could then go and drag them into different folders like in our documents, just so you've got another copy of them. And that's it. If you found this video useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.